I'll be showing you how to fix Phantom Wallet failed to authenticate. So, in this case, if you're having some problems with your Phantom Wallet here, there's a few things you can do to fix this problem. So, first things first is you need to identify the problem. Now, sometimes the problem can be your internet connection. Now, if your internet connection is fairly slow or if your signal is fairly weak, then it means the internet connection you have right now is the problem. So, in this case, if you're using your mobile data, you might want to go ahead and switch over to a Wi-Fi connection, or if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, go ahead and switch over to a mobile data connection here. So in this case, see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue and you are sure you have a pretty stable internet connection, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your Phantom Wallet is up to date. So go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, and you want to go ahead and basically search for Phantom Wallet. Now, if you do see any update buttons next to the Phantom Wallet here, go ahead and click on that update button and wait for it to complete the update, and from then on, see if that solves the issue. Now, if none of those actually work, the next thing that you can do here is to clear some temporary files within the app itself. So, want to look for Phantom Wallet here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon here, and from here click on the clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here click on clear cache and click on OK. Now it's really important that you choose clear cache here because we don't want to delete all our data here, we just want to clear our cache. So in this case, go ahead and click on clear cache here, and from then on restart your phone and see if that solves your issue. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.